Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's try Grand Prix attack. She's kind of stopped, so we're going to close Sicilian instead. Well, I'm wondering if he has to play h6 or he's not going to do that. I play c3 but d4. Oh, he's going to play bishop a6. Doesn't matter. Also, maybe f5 is going to be fun. If I support d4 and then f5, even knight e6 or knight f7 might be tempting. But f5. Knight takes f5. This king's like stuck. I'm going to give it a punt. I can't resist. Maybe there's knight f4. This pawn chain near his king. There's bishop d5 and knight f4. I think there could be some compensation. At least he can't castle. He might lose another pawn. It's only a knight. You can sacrifice the knights. It's bishops that are more important. Tao used to sacrifice, I think, the knights more than the bishops to disrupt the king's safety. As long as you got your bishops. Alright, knight f4 takes, or knight f4. Okay, let's try knight f4 sacking the exchange. Oh, this is going to be a fun one. I've still got my light square pieces, and he's minus his light square defender. So let him take. I want to win his pawn chain, I hope. Also, hang on, does knight takes e6 as a move? On bishop takes, does knight takes e6? Okay, I'll take here now for knight takes d5. So if he takes, my queen's usually on f7 anyway. So knight takes, queen moves somewhere, queen takes e6. It depends where the queen moves, because if... yeah, interesting position. I'll give that up. Guess I might want to. You're taking? I assume he's taking, right? Queen f7 now is on the cards. It's queen f5. Rook f1. Yeah, rook f1. I know I'm material down, but it's such a great position with these pawns, it seems. Queen f7's not working. His king is going to h7. Bishop e4 after that. He's always got g6 defense. So I'll try and lock that down. Maybe in the future that's interesting. For the moment, actually, rook f1, queen takes, and then e7 might be interesting. The king moves e8, queening. Yeah, I think that's the more interesting idea. Yeah, rook f1. got him thinking. I don't want this dangerous pawn. Oh, has he just got queen c3? Oh, that's just really unfortunate. Queen c3 does seem to be kind of winning a piece, unfortunately. Oh man. Ouch. Bishop and rook. Okay, I have to do what I mentioned here, the cost of the bishop.
Check.
So rook takes for e7. I think I'm still threatening that. Oh, blimey. Will he see that? Is it actually on the cards even? He's got queen takes d4 now. Actually, that kind of stops the idea, doesn't it? Does it? He's got this with check, where I put my king. I've made it with check, like a total plonker. So I've got to get the bishop out of the way now. I might still be threatening this. Right here, for e7.
Check. Check.
I can play bishop c2 first, and then queen.
Check.
Right, I can queen. I can play bishop takes g6 and queen. And keeping the bishop's okay because he's not winning it just yet.
Check.
He's got queen takes f2. Crikey, I didn't see that. It's really unfortunate, I gotta say.
Check. Check.
Crikey.
Check. Check.
I know, I'm losing the queen.
Check. 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 Checkmate.
Yeah, okay. Mega tactics.
Checkmate.
Mega tactics. I didn't expect. I really thought I had a chance there. Yeah, this should be good. Oh, queen h5. What's the idea here? Takes queen f7.
Check.
Alright, for bishop d3, yeah, queen h5 looks dangerous. What is he doing? Yes, it was a very promising position. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah, I can't do this because of queen c3. Bishop takes d4, saves all that problem. What a moron. I've got loose pieces everywhere.
Check. Check.
Don't tell me.
Check. Check.
It's
Check.
just totally winning for him. If I played this, yeah, I guess he's just winning.
Check.
Yeah, it's a crushing move.
Check. 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 Check.
It's all over. It was exciting anyway. Okay. Yeah. I think the point is queen h5 then. I was better with queen h5. Incredible stuff. So the knight sat, I was having great hopes for this. Let's see this again, just one moment. So say queen here, queen f7,
Check.
what's the idea? Knight takes. Wow, there's a
Check.
queen sat line.
Check.
There are some queen sat lines lurking around here. Okay, there's some crazy lines lurking around. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.